All right guys, so we're getting ready to install this JLT cash can. See, it should be pretty simple. You can start by, say, installing this bracket right here. It's a 10mm, it's a bolt. So here's that bolt. Install this right here. Yeah, I might just pre-drill that one and put the other screw, because it came with 2 screws, so seems pretty. Okay, so it starts to line it up right here. Line it up with the JLT. Then it has 2 Phillips screws. Let me get those. Alright, so hopefully I don't drop these bolts. Alright, that's good enough. And then right here in the instructions it says cut off 10 inches from the 90-degree fitting and 8 from the 45-degree fitting. Alright guys, so I had to cut the hoses. See, the one on, it says here, the one on the with the 45 degrees, yeah, the one with 90 degrees you cut 10 inches off, and the other one 8 inches off. Alright, so now we just gotta pull these things out. There's a little clip. You just gotta pull it. See? Pull this little clip, pull it up. There it is. And then we install that one there, that one here. Then just kind of line up your hoses. And there it is. It's pretty simple. Well, just save this just in case. And then this, I have no idea where it goes. It was in the little bag, so there's nothing on the instructions at all. Looks perfect, just like on the picture. All right, so I'll give you guys another review in the next oil change. It should be the next 1,000 miles, so I'll check it and see how it goes. All right guys, well, thanks for watching, and hope you guys liked it, and subscribe. Thanks.